Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drink creatine powder. Mix 1 scoop with 8 ounces of water or juice, stir until dissolved, and drink immediately to avoid clumping. For best absorption, take with a carbohydrate source like fruit juice or a small snack. Stay consistent and take creatine at the same time daily, whether pre- or post-workout, to maintain muscle saturation and support performance gains. Hydrate well throughout the day. Many people wonder when and how much creatine to take. Start with a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily, or choose a loading phase of 20 grams divided into 4 doses for 5 to 7 days. Drink with juice or a snack to boost uptake and minimize stomach discomfort. Consistency matters more than timing, so pick a routine you can keep and track progress every few weeks and adjust as needed. Proper mixing stops clumps and makes creatine more pleasant to drink. Add 1 scoop to about 8 to 12 ounces of water, juice, or a sports drink, then shake or stir briskly for 15 to 30 seconds. If you prefer flavor, mix with flavored drinks or a protein shake. Do not use boiling liquids, and drink promptly to enjoy the best texture and potency. Keep creatine dry and sealed between uses to protect quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.